Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll be learning how to design a newsletter and also how to export multiple pages in PDF using Gimp. This tutorial will help you to learn about different tools you can use to design pages or brochures or anything related to that using Gimp. If you are new in this channel, you might consider to subscribe. I publish weekly tutorials on editing, tech, and photography. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So at first, we are going to create a new image. To do that, go to File menu here and then New. So here you can input your desired dimension if you have any in mind. Otherwise, you can choose a template from here. So since we'll be creating newsletter, I'm going to go with A4 300 ppi. So now we will be adding some text and we'll be adding a couple of images in the front page, and also I will be adding some text and images to the second page. So first I'm going to create a shape in the top. Now we use guidelines vertically and horizontally for accuracy, and then we use path tools to draw around the lines to select the area later. Now we draw lines using path tool. When drawing is completed, go to select and then from path. Now I am filling this selected area with black color. Right. You can increase or decrease the opacity depending on the design you want to do. Right, so now I am going to duplicate this page, since we'll be creating another page and the top will be like that too, so I don't need to do it again in a similar manner. So I'm going to duplicate this page. I'm going to name it page 1 and sorry, page 2. So now I'm going to add some text around here. So first I'm going to input the date of the newsletter. I have already got the text I need for this design. So first, yes, here's the date. I'm just copying and pasting it. We use the alignment tool and move tool for centering and moving the text. So here I have the title. I'm going to add this. Sorry, the color was selected, white was selected as color, so this is where we can't see anything. I'm going to change it into black. Right. So now I'm going to increase the font size. Centering the text. Right, now I'm going to add the subtitle. Taking the text tool. It should be here. Okay, and I'm going to change the font size, and we'll also be increasing the space between the letters. Sometimes text looks better in that way. Alright, so now I'm going to add an image around here, and then we'll be adding some text on the left side and also on the right side. We are using guidelines again to separate the text and image, and we'll be adding the image here. Perhaps it's too close, so now it's okay. So now I'm importing the image. I have already got the selected image, so this is the one I'm going to put in the middle. I have to change the order of this layer anyways. So now I'm going to take it to the center. Okay, now we just need to rescale. Sorry, I have to deselect everything. Now we need to rescale the image. Right, so now we are going to add some text in the left side. We'll be taking less space in the left side, and we'll be taking more space in the right side. Okay, so here we are going to put the highlights, and here we'll be adding some description. So here's the text for the highlights part. Okay, now we are actually going to draw a line here as part of the design, and then we'll be adding the text. Okay, so now we are going to stroke the path. So here we have a problem. We actually took this line a bit out of the boundary, so we'll have to change that. That means we'll have to um, um, do it again. Right, I'm going to draw the path again. And then stroke path. You can use any dimension you want, but I think 200 would be fine for this particular design. Alright, now it looks okay. So friends, now we're going to add the text here. Actually, we can add some space now between the lines because it looks a bit congested. So I'm just taking some space. You always can adjust this. And now I'm increasing the space between the lines to give it a better look. So friends, I'm just showing you how you can use different tools and can make a design. So you can take time and always can play with all these things. So anyways, now I'm moving to the next part. Here in the right side we are going to add some more text. All right, so it looks kind of okay. Right, so now I'm going to create a group, and we'll be putting all this layer under one group so that it would be easier for us to interact. So to create a layer group, just click on this icon, so and take it to the top. So now I am going to put everything one by one. Okay, so now we are going to work on the second page. Here first we're going to add an image here, and then we'll be add some text in the left side, and then we'll be adding some text here too, with the title and subtitle, and we'll be adding an image here, and then we'll also be adding a travel code here in the bottom, and we'll also be putting this text into a shape. So you will understand it better as you progress, so let's do that. And this time we are going to take more space on the left side and less space in the right side. Here we'll have some text. Okay, so now I can import the image. Right, now it looks better. So now we're going to add an image here. Now we'll be adding a travel photo around here. So right, similarly fill it with black color. Now I'm going to draw lines here. Now we're just going to add a comma here. We'll be increasing the size to 600. So now we are going to add the text here. Okay, I think we are done. And now I am going to add another group so that we can put everything together. Okay, so friends, now I'm just hiding the guides. So friends, now we are going to march um, down all these layer in these groups. Okay, so we'll be doing the similar thing. Right, so now we have got two pages here. Now we are going to export them in PDF format together. To do that, go to file menu here and then export. You can choose the file options from here. Here it is, the PDF format, and hit export. So here please make sure that you have ticked on these boxes so that you will have the pages in one file, and then hit export. Friends, here it is. So this is how you simply can design a newsletter, brochure, or something else on Gimp and can export. Friends, I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.